In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, just hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, all you need to do is hold your display and wait for all of those options at the bottom to show. This way, when you click on widgets at the bottom left corner, you can scroll to look for Google App. After tapping on it, swipe to the left and hit Add under Search Bar widget. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!